Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can switch between different clock style in standby mode on the iPhone 15 series. So first, have your phone in standby mode, and this means have your phone standing on the side while it is charging. It doesn't need to be a cable charging, it can be wireless charging. As long as your phone is charging and kind of leaning on the side, then it will go into standby mode. And now to quickly switch between the different clock style in standby mode, all you have to do is simply swipe up or down, and this will allow you to switch between different clock style. So this is just the clock style. If you swipe across, you also get the photo layout. And now if you continue to swipe across one more, in here you have a true layout. In here you have another different clock style. The clock, you can set a clock on the left hand side, and then you got on the right hand side you can choose a different widget. In here you can display the battery, news widget, and you can also add in additional widgets by simply touch and hold. Then tap on the add button, and in here you have a number of different widgets that you could add to your device, to your standby mode. And that's it. So that is how you can quickly sorry, I'm just going to close that, try to close that here. And that is how you can quickly switch between different clock style on the iPhone 15 series. And in here, if I touch and hold onto that, not only that you can change the clock style, you can also change the color of the text on your clock. And then tap on the close button, and then tap on done. And that's it. So that is how you can change the clock style in standby mode on the iPhone 15 series. If you don't know how to turn on standby mode, you can switch it on from the settings screen. So on your home screen, tap on settings, then in settings, swipe up to go down, and then tap on standby. And here you can tap on the standby toggle button to switch it on. And then have your phone in charging mode, so make sure your phone is charging and lay on the side, and standby mode will be activated while the phone is locked as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching.